Oh, yeah, fish on, baby. Well, g'day folks, and welcome to another video. In this video, we're off to East Gippsland to try and catch some big bream. As you can see, the car is semi-packed, just waiting on Matt. I'm going with Matt and Spence. So it's going to be a full car. The boat is ready to go. Just got to chuck those rods in at the end when I pick Spence up. So for those that don't know, she's a bit dirty, but this is the Tabs bull shark. I've had her for about 4 months, and she's been an amazing boat. So the plan of attack is pretty much drive straight through to Far East Gippsland, and yeah, we're going to be swagging it, camping it. I've obviously got the rooftop, King's Quickie rooftop tent, and the boys are going to be in their swag. So aim of the game, try and track down some big bream. I haven't been to this system since December last year, so they've had the bushfires there, and then they had some flooding where it's washed all the ash in the water from the bushfires. The entrance was open for a while, but yeah, not sure on how it's going to go or what it's going to be like, but we're going to sure give it a red hot crack over the next couple of days. So stay tuned, hit the like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy this video. I'm pumped. It's been a while. This is my favourite place to fish, and yeah, we managed to get a couple of days away. So thanks again, catch you soon. Bit of fire remnants. Hopefully we got your swag by the time we get down there, mate. All the regrowth. Almost there. Alright folks, we have made it. Just pulled up. I've got to set up the roof tent. Boys have got to set the swags up. So that's the campsite, and I'll walk you around and show you the boat ramp. We're very close. So there it is there. The jetty's actually underwater, so it's filled up a heap since I was last here. So yeah, there's the site. Come out here, launch your boat. How good's that? Magic. Might see a few deer throughout the night, a few wallabies, a few roos. Just awesome to be back in the wild with a fire, do a bit of cooking, and hopefully get a good night's sleep. Be magic. I'll see you later on. There we go. We've got butterflied peri chicken on the fire. That's the first bit of dinner going on. And then we have the second course. Bit of pre-cooked, slow-cooked brisket with a bit of salad. It's magic. Look at that. Peri chicken. Sizzle of the beef brisket. Does it get any better? There we go. Peri chicken, coleslaw, salad. Got brisket and potatoes in a barbecue sauce coming up. Beautiful. Breakfast is on the go. Chef Spencer. Couple of people turned up. Good morning everybody. It's about 7 o'clock, lights just broke, and obviously that way. Spence is putting the boat in, even though he's coming the wrong way. So I'm just off to do what a lot of men do in the morning, visit the drop dunny. And I'll see you when we're at spot one. We're going to head to the honey hole and try and chase a big bream. and possibly a snapper. So see you when we're on the water. Just gotta do the pickup. Boat ramp's a bit poop. Nice morning. Rained a lot last night. Well, a little bit last night. Floor was wet. The water since last time I came is probably half filled after the entrance was open in October. Pick up. We're in for 2 flogs.
Don't know what you're talking about.
You just go that way a little bit. Huh? Definitely chillier this morning. You don't reckon it's colder? I reckon it is. Alright. Oh really? Maybe your coffee's keeping you warm. Sorry about the mist. Thought I'd see a bit more surface movement today, but this must be all deep. Yep. Fish on! Flathead, little tiny flathead. I think the same. You bastards. They laugh at my fish. It's barely a fish, isn't it? I think we found the flathead nursery. Yeah. Look at him. Oh, they're even giving me for that 10 centimetres.
Shit.
Bigger rescue fillers than that. But you know what that means, don't you? I'm off a donut.
What's that?
Let's go, I'd go there.
That way?
Go, if you can stand that side and go, yeah. All along is the weed edge, comes right out here. Thought we were going to get a bite first cast. Seeing all the sander, markings on the sander. Oh, yep. Fish on, fish on. Second cast, just, oh no.
Too long.
That was a good fish, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Is that the motor oil grub?
Yeah.
Stinger? Yeah. Oh no, so there's a stinger grub, I mean, oh. Oh yes. Keep the pressure on. That's probably where you went when you took the pressure off him. Don't go nuts though. No, no. So keep it light. If he wants to pull the drag, let him take the drag. Don't stop winding. Oh no. Just let him play it out a bit. Just keep the rod bent. Oh, it's a good fish.
Buddy.
Oh, dinner. Oh, maybe. Nah, it's probably a bit small, isn't he? It's probably little buddy. That'll do. He's too small. Yeah, he's not 40. He's way too small. It's not worth killing him. I'll get more. Hold on, Matt. It's on the board. Spencer's on one. That's a flathead, isn't it? Flathead or bream? Oh, beautiful bream. Get the net, get the net. That's a cracker. Go easy on him, don't rush him. If he wants to run, let him run. Let him go. Let him have a run. Motor all Spence? Yes!
A little bit bigger than your Flathead, eh, Sauce?
Smart off. Can I have my rod back? And then he came out with me and we just smacking fish, and it's so now like he's as impatient as me. You get like 10 minutes and he's like, nah, no fish. Oh, double hook up. Yes. This is a flathead. Go easy on him if he wants to go. Yours is a brim, mine's a flathead. We've got the mixed grill. Double hook up. We've gone from nothing. Let him go, Spence, let him go. Oh, I reckon that's a pinky. That's either a big brim or a pinky. Oh, no, 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 no. No. Over here, Matt. Do you want to keep him? Just ditch him out. Oh, no. That was a good fish.
It was.
That was a good fish. Do you want to keep this one, Spence?
Is it? Bloody good.
Good flathead.
Yeah, chuck him in just in case if we get enough for a feed. Might have to rinse that. I don't know what that
How's
was.
that? Bang bang.
I didn't even feel it bite.
That was either a pinky or a brim. And that's why it came off. Because if you haven't set the hook, you've just done like a normal hop. There you go, mate.
Measuring?
Flow's coming down this way in the wind. I'm hopping it back with the flow. I got another one. Another flathead.
There's dinner.
I think it's a small one though. How's that? 3 casts, 3 fish. That's
I
bad.
think you're right though, I reckon it's got something to do with
The fly.
the flow.
They're facing that way. Oh, little pup. That's magic, isn't it? Fish on. Go easy on him.
Something's fine.
Go easy on him. Little flathead. He must have been trolling that. They're still moving forward. Spence is on.
This is the smallest of small fish.
Smallest
Might
of...
even be my toady.
Might even be swimming towards you. I've never caught a toady here, mate.
Wow.
Little flathead. Oh,
Yes!
Spence the giant killer. But you know what?
You dickhead.
Got him. Spiky little angry bastards, aren't they? Flathead. Whee! Oh, hook a fish, Matt's like, fucking hell.
It's back up.
They're there.
Yeah.
Oh, oh, let him go, let him go. That's a big brim. Oh yeah, that's a big brim. That's a big brim. Look at the cheer when he hooked into it. Yes! Go for it. Go easy. Just let him have a run. Is it a brim though? Oh, I reckon it is with them big head nods. Is it a brim or a snapper? Yeah, be 40 wouldn't it?
It's bigger than the tide one, I reckon.
Oh yeah. If it pops it on, it's smacked in the head. Oh, no. Got him. That's what keeps biting us off, Spence.
What's that?
That's what keeps biting us off.
Look at that. Jig head. still intact.
Just
Probably not for long, though.
just check your lead. Actually, you might have to retie it, so rough it up. Good enough.
Fish? Oh.
Yeah, I think so. Right under the boat.
Ooh, it's a floating.
I think it's dinner.
Ooh, it's a big one. Fucking real big one.
Nah, tiny.
Yeah, nah. Big one.
Mate, when it's dinner. Good little bite.
Yeah, it's right there, man.
Oh, don't do that. No, no, no. That robbed me off.
Oh, he's healthy.
Bit of dinner.
Biggest one for the trip, I reckon.
Stick him on the deck, I thought he man. Absolutely swallowed it.
I reckon he's going to hit the 50.
You grab the pliers, or no, don't put your hand in there.
Yeah, I don't trust you. Fuck, it's not holding on by much, is it?
No,
Oh, it's out already. Just pull it out.
I can't. There you go.
Jesus, it was just him holding his mouth shut.
Yeah. He's got to be 50.
Yeah.
Oh no! Oh, he nearly went the other way. That's about there. Oh, 49.
Just slide him over, lift the lid.
There you go. That's got to be a tailor. Oh no, he's on a brim. I've been tailored again. Go easy. Oh yeah, that's a flathead, isn't it? It's not doing much, is it?
Still fuck all.
That's dinner. That's a flathead, mate. It's on there anyway. You've got to be going close to 40, hasn't he?
Yeah, right on, I reckon.
40?
Yeah.
Nice.
A little bit bigger than your 37, mate. Ooh.
Come back when you call it a 47, mate.
On his good side or his bad side?
That is good side. That's a just less fingers, said the vicar. It's good.
Yeah.
Well done, Spence. See, now his pecker's perked up.
One day today.
Plagues, they're just a plague. Got like a smallish one too. Oh, there's another one. Actually, it's got a different fight to it. I reckon that is a flathead. That's a flathead.
Sausage catching dinner. Love it.
Oh, or is it? Flathead? It's got a beast not fighting. There it is. It's a flathead. Another one for dinner?
Yeah.
There you go. Yo.
Stop it.
Magic. Blast, they're the things that get you bad. Give us that back, mate. That was on the drop again. Exactly the same as the last cast. It'd be mid-40s.
Yeah.
How good's that live well? Well, good day folks, and I hope you've enjoyed that video. As you can see, we're back home. It was a really good couple of days. Great to be back out at my favourite place in East Gippsland, catching a few fish, having a laugh with the boys, doing a good cook up, sitting around the fire, just talking crap. So really good trip. Didn't catch as many big bream as I thought. Didn't really find them schooling up yet, which was a bit strange. Pretty much searched the whole lake and the lower half of the river. Couldn't really find any schools, but we did manage to find a few bream. I didn't really didn't really film a lot during the first day. I just wasn't really feeling like it. And that's where a few of the bigger bream were caught. So some photos on Instagram and Facebook of those. And yeah, I filmed mostly the second day. And yeah, a lot of flathead, a lot of small flathead up to that 49 centimetres, and a couple of bream and a tailor. And we did lose 2 packs of jig heads and flatheads and soft plastic. So yeah, tailor were a bit of a pain in the bum. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Tight lines.